€1,000. It's not a fortune, but it's enough to change your financial future forever, if you know what to do with it. Most people either leave it sitting in a bank account losing value to inflation, or they spend it on something they forget about in a month. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with your first €1,000 to start building real wealth. Let's go. First, what not to do: don't leave it in a savings account. The average savings account in Europe right now pays less than 1% interest per year. Inflation is running at around 3 to 4%. That means every year your money sits in a bank account, it's quietly losing purchasing power. Your €1,000 today will buy less next year, and even less the year after. The bank is not your friend when it comes to growing money. Don't spend it on something depreciating. A new phone, a holiday, new clothes. These things lose value the moment you buy them. That's not what this money is for. And don't try to get rich quick. No crypto gambling, no forex trading, no investment opportunities someone sent you on Instagram. If someone promises you 50% returns in a month, they are lying to you. Now, here's what you actually do. Step 1. Set aside €300 as your emergency starter fund. Before you invest a single euro, you need a financial safety net. €300 won't cover every emergency, but it's enough to handle a broken phone, an unexpected bill, or a car repair without going into debt. Put this in a separate account and don't touch it. This is not an investment. This is protection. Step 2. Invest €500 into VUAA on Revolut. VUAA is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, a single fund that tracks the 500 biggest companies in the United States. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, all in one investment. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned an average of around 10% per year over the long term. At that rate, €500 left alone for 20 years becomes over €3,300 without adding another cent. Here's how to buy it. Open Revolut, go to Invest, search VUAA, buy €500 worth. Done. You are now invested in the global economy. The key is to leave it alone. Don't check it every day. Don't panic when the market drops, and it will drop sometimes. Zoom out. Think in decades, not days. Step 3. Put €100 into Bondora Go and Grow. This is your passive income engine. Bondora is a peer-to-peer lending platform where your money gets lent out to borrowers across Europe and you earn interest in return. The current return is 6% per year, far better than any bank account. €100 won't make you rich, but it will teach you how passive income works, and it gives you a foundation to keep adding to every month. Sign up through the link in the description, and you'll get a free €5 bonus just for joining and investing €50 or more in your first 30 days. Step 4. Use the remaining €100 to buy a small amount of Bitcoin or Ethereum on crypto.com. Crypto is volatile. Prices go up and down dramatically. That's why this is only 10% of your total allocation. You're not betting the house on it. You're getting a small amount of exposure to one of the fastest growing asset classes of the last decade. Download crypto.com using the link in the description, create your account, and buy €100 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then leave it alone for at least 3 to 5 years. So to summarize, here's your €1,000 plan. €300 emergency fund, protection first. €500 VUAA on Revolut, long-term wealth building. €100 Bondora Go and Grow, passive income. €100 Bitcoin or Ethereum on crypto.com, high risk, high potential. This is not a get-rich-quick plan. This is a get-rich-slowly plan, which is the only plan that actually works. The people who built real wealth didn't do it overnight. They did it by starting early, staying consistent, and letting time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. You have €1,000, you have a plan. The only thing left is to start. That's It's Money Time. All links are in the description below. Subscribe for more videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we'll see you on the next one.